would you rather listen to? Jesus Christ or Harold Camping? Jesus' words are infallible. Camping's words have proven to be fallible. Camping has made at least 3 miscalculations of when the world would end and judgment day will come upon us. In his first miscalculation, he claimed the world would end September 6, 1994. His second miscalculation, December 25th, 1994. And his third miscalculation, April 3rd, 1996. Deuteronomy 18, verse 22 says, when a prophet speaks in the name of the Lord, if the word does not come to pass or come true, that is a word which the Lord had not spoken. The prophet has spoken it presumptuously.
Yeah.
You need not be afraid of him. Now let us listen to what Jesus Christ had to say about false teachers who claim to be Christ and claim the time is at hand. Although Harold Camping does not claim to be Christ, he does claim that the time is at hand. Luke 21, verse 8 reads, and he said, speaking of Jesus, see that you are not led astray, for many will come in my name, saying, I am he, and the time is at hand. Do not go after them. I cannot overemphasize or stress this. Do not go after them. This is Jesus' warning to his church. Who will you listen to? Harold Camping, who is fallible, or Jesus Christ, who is the authority of the Bible? John chapter 1, verse 14 says, and the Word was made flesh and dwelt among us.
If anyone has a comment or question or criticism, please feel free to express yourself on this channel.
I'm Pastor Bill.
And I'm Desi. God
bless.
Tyson, go upstairs.
Go upstairs, Tyson.
Go.
Go ahead.
That's where I